What's up, traders? It's Mark. Today is Tuesday, February 6th. Gang, this market is out of control. I don't know how closely you guys pay attention, but the volatility index this morning, prior to market open, actually hit 50. We haven't had a reading, well, we've only had a reading that high one other time since 2009. So anytime I see that, guys, my first thought is people are freaking out. And when people freak out, what happens? They do irrational things. So the volatility index is actually a measure of the put activity in the market. So how many people are buying puts? Anytime I see it spike like that, I always want to go to the market and I want to sell options. Now, I don't sell them naked, okay? I don't just sell an option naked. I sell and then I buy with a hedge. Think about it. Think about being the insurance company, right? Because that's what an option is. It's insurance. Insurance companies make money. So if you're a net seller and you know what you're doing, you will make money long term. Today is a great example of you got to be careful and don't let this market freak you out. So, okay, so let's that's my soapbox for this for tonight. Let's take a look at the markets. You all saw yesterday was just a brutal day. I mean, I would have sat here all day and wouldn't have made any damn money, right? Now I want to walk through some forex trades because the forex system had been on a bit of a losing streak, and so finally hit a nice string of winners. So I just want to walk through a couple real quick. So we had here on the pound Aussie, this thing went down and hit a nice target right down here. There was one that I showed last night in the video, and there was plenty of time to catch it. It was this one right here. So when I did my video, it was right around, price was right around this area. Came down and hit target. And then the New Zealand CAD. You got a zone right here inside of the daily buy zone. All right, now there's two trades that also triggered. Dollar yen for a long right here. Target on this one is 1.22. Wait, 110.68. So all the way up here. And then the euro dollar. And this one is a short with a target of 1.2246. So down here a ways. Okay, gang, now if you're bored from last night's video because it took so damn long, I apologize. But I want to walk through the market in a little faster fashion tonight because, guys, today was a monster day. And if you think about the difference between today and yesterday, it was a little more defined. The range was more defined. So let's just walk through it real quick. You can see at the open, we were inside of a buy zone on the 5-minute. Beautiful weaker low pattern in the buy zone. Now again, I'm not counting those, but I am pointing them out. So right now I have nothing to do. I'm waiting for my 5-minute to turn green. And that happens at 8:40. Okay, I'm green now, looking for a trade. Here is a trade right here. So I'd be in here one tick above here, 29.25. And I'm looking at my stops here today, guys. I'd have to have massive stops. So you would have to decide if this was in your rule book. Now think about what today means. And I want you to really pay attention to this. Because, guys, you are not traders. You are risk managers. Manage risk first. You need to decide what % of your account you're willing to risk per trade. And if you're using the ATR, in this case, my ATR on this bar is 3.98. So I'm going to round that to 4. That means my ATR is, that means my stop is 4 points. That's $80 a contract, whereas normally I'm trying to risk around 35. So my risk is 2.5 times greater. If that does not meet your risk parameters, meaning your account is too small, you should sit on your hands today, because today is a day that could literally wipe out your account in a few trades if you trade a small account. If you're in this business to get rich overnight, I will promise you one thing. It's not going to happen, and you're going to blow your account over and over and over again. I cannot stress this enough. Change your mind. Okay, so this trade, let's see, I got a 4-point stop. That means my target is going to be 23 points. So I'd be in this trade at 29.25. I mean, it almost stops me out, right? I mean, it goes 3.5 points against me. And then it does stop me out, right? So I'd have a loss here. Then I'd be in right here for another loss. Okay. So we got 2 losses to start the day. Let's continue. Okay, no trade here because I break my zone. I would take a trade right. Let's see. Okay, this is 3 points, 3 ticks away, so no trade there. But I would take a trade right here, and that would be a loss. Then I'd have a trade here for a nice win. Okay, now I'd be looking for a reset. Actually, let's see when this thing wins. So I'd be in at 25. 4.75 point stop. 4.75. I said point twice. All right. 4.75 times 5.72. 27.25. Okay, so I'm at 25. So my target is going to be 52.25. Okay, target is not hit until this move. Okay, here's my break of a green zone. Now I'm looking for a red zone. Go back and double check. Okay. Alright, so there's my reset. I can take another green trade. Here we go. Entry is going to be right here. 47.50. Look at that. 5.75. Keeps getting higher. This is a 33-point target. And I have to have my calculator out tonight. Target's going to be 80.5. There it is. Okay, I would have hit right here. So I do have a red zone. Now I just need a break of a green, which is right here. Okay, now I can look for another green zone. But I am now red on my 5-minute. So no trade here. Alright, let's continue. Okay, I turn red on the 15 at 9:30. Okay, here we go. There's a zone right here. So I'd have a trade right here. My entry, 52.25. 5.75 again. So I'm looking for 33 points again. My entry is 53.5. So I'm looking for a move down to 20.5. Oh, look at that. Shame. 2 points from target and stopped out. So there's a loss. No trade in this red zone. Now I'm green on my 5. So I'd miss this trade. Miss those trades. Okay, now I'm red on my 5. Take a trade here for a loss. And then another trade right here. See, 94, 25. This is a 7-point stop now. So I'm looking for a 40-point target. I'm in at 94 quarter. So I need to get down to 54 quarter. And there's my target. Okay, now I need a reset. Here's my reset. Now I'm green on my 5. Okay, my 15 will turn green at 11:15. Okay, I'm green. I can take a trade here. Stops me 4.5. Okay, so no stop out there. So 4.5. Looking for a 26. Let's see, 26-point target. So looking for a move to 55, which I get right there. Okay, there's a break of a green, there's a red. And this red, it happens to be inside of the 5-minute zone. So I could take a trade here, and I'm stopped out. But because I'm short here, I did not get long, right? Okay, now I can get long here. Stopped out here, and then long again, stopped out. So 2 stops there. Okay, I've got a zone inside of a zone again. Here's a trade. Stopped out. Re-entry at 66 quarter. So I'm looking for 24.5 low. So I'm in at 66 quarter. Looking for a move into 41.75. And there it is. Okay. I'm still green and green. I can look for a green zone. I get a green zone right here. Long. And stopped. Actually, you know what? Look at that. 12:05. I'm red on the 5-minute. So this is actually not a trade. So take that loss back. Okay, I'm green and green. No trade out of here. Okay, I've got zones inside of a 5-minute zone again. Let's see if I can get a trade right here. So I'd be in at 49. 5.25 stop. Looking for a 30-point target. That'll just take me down to 19, right? Okay, stopped out. Re-entry, 51. Now I've got a 6-point stop. See, 34.5 is my target. 34.5 points. So I'm at 51. Looking for moving to 1650. There it is. Okay, I'm red and red, but I don't have a reset yet since I got my target at 1650. I still need a green zone. Here's my green zone. I'd have a trade here, and then I turn green on my 5. So one loss there. And I would not be able to take this trade because I already had to move into the green zone in order to take a trade out of a zone that has already been tested. I have to have an equal low of the move into the zone. So I would have a trade right here though at 51 quarter. 4.75 is my ATR. Looking for 27 quarter. Moving to 78.50. There it is. Okay, I've got a break of a green. Now I just need a red. Can't take this trade. Okay, here's my red. Now I need to move into a green right here. See 1250. My stop is 4 quarter. See 1250. Oh wait, no, that's not right. It'd be off this bar. So 14 to 1475. 4.5 point stop. And stopped out. Trade here. First stop. Trade right here. Another stop. Now I'm neutral on my 5. Okay, now I'm green. I have a trade right here. First stop. Trade here for another stop. Okay, I'm red now, which is a shame because it's a nice trade. One second, I feel like I missed one back here. Nope. Okay, that's it. Alright, let's count them up. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 losses. And 8 wins. Guys, that's a hell of a day. So let's put it in the spreadsheet here. So you can see yesterday was tough day. Alright, so we need to add 17 into here. What was that, 45? And then 8, so 14. Nice day, right? So just like that, guys, got a nice little pop. Need to move this in down as well. I like to keep track of the position sizing stuff here, guys. I would stick at 20. And then let's take, let's see, M16 minus. Just cracked 1,000. Okay, and also I did the exact same analysis already on Ninja, and guys, it was a really good day on Ninja as well. And Ninja's one that I believe I'll be able to automate completely. So you can see the week on Ninja Trader right here. So guys, it's looking really good. Okay, look out, guys. By the end of the weekend, I'm gonna have something to send you guys over email, or something for you to sign up over email, and then I'm gonna get these indicators pushed out. So instead of just watching me look on the charts, you guys can start doing some stuff at home. Okay, gang, have a great night or rest of your day.